Here's a little update on my daughter's truck. Still haven't decided what I'm doing with it. Temporary motor, ESC, nickel metal hydrate, blah blah blah. Servo, there's a new arm. Flip her over. All new 4-link, all new fast eddy bearings inside, all new front end. Steering rack's all been replaced. It actually sits up higher in the rear now with the 4-link setup in it. So, 2 things, smaller shocks, definitely needed. Want it to sit not quite that low, but probably about that. Same in the rear. Get her to sit a lot lower. Ooh, or something. That actually rubs. Drive shaft on the uppers. Interesting. Yeah, there it is so far. Glad you watched and enjoyed. Tune in for more.